Hey, welcome back to Uncle Jim's Car Corner. I'm Uncle Jim. We've spent 2 episodes identifying the gaps in standard coverage. Today's episode is the action one, what to actually do to close those gaps before you need them. All of it starts with a conversation with your agent. Ask your agent specifically about an OEM parts endorsement or OEM parts agreement. This is an add-on that requires the insurer to use original manufacturer parts when repairing your vehicle. Not every carrier offers it for every vehicle. Some limit it to vehicles under a certain age. The cost varies, but is often modest relative to the protection it provides. If your carrier doesn't offer it, that's worth knowing. It may affect your carrier choice at renewal. Look at your current daily rental reimbursement limit. Then look up the average daily rental car rate in your area. If there's a significant gap, ask your agent what it costs to increase that limit. On most policies, increasing rental reimbursement from $30 per day to $50 or $60 per day costs very little annually. The protection difference during a 2-week repair is significant. If you're financing or leasing and don't have gap coverage, ask your agent to add it. If it's not available through your insurer, your lender or dealer may offer it. Compare costs and terms before you decide. Gap coverage typically becomes less important as you build equity in the vehicle. If you're past the point where you're upside down, you may not need it. Ask your agent directly, does my policy cover pre- and post-repair scanning and ADAS calibration as a covered repair procedure? If the answer is unclear or no, ask whether there's an endorsement or rider that addresses it. Some carriers have updated their policy language to explicitly include these procedures. Others haven't. Knowing where you stand is the first step. The conversation to have with your agent today. Pull out your policy, call your agent, ask 4 questions. Does my policy include OEM parts coverage? What is my rental reimbursement daily limit? Do I have gap coverage and do I need it? Does my policy cover ADAS, scanning and calibration as part of a covered repair? Write down the answers. If any of the answers concern you, ask what it costs to address them. That's a 1-hour conversation that could save you thousands of dollars. This is Uncle Jim's Car Corner, your resource for making informed decisions about your vehicle. Real talk, real tips for every mile you drive.